Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the combination for today's daily puzzle on our spell wallet. Okay, let's just go straight into this one. All right guys, so from here, just click on this padlock icon just right here. And if you're not playing this game yet, go check the description. There is a link for you to join and start playing. Now we make actually one mana doing this daily puzzle. We make 1 mana every day, which is a very good boost. Okay, so let's just go straight into it. Click on this part, and I'm going to actually zoom on this part so that you can just see what I'm just putting on. Just forget about what's down there. Okay, so the first one is going to be thunder, lightning bolts. Tap on it. The next one is going to be star. Just tap on the star. Then the next one is going to be this fairy. Click on it. Then the final one is going to be another lightning bolt. So as you can see, we got 1 mana. Claim your reward, and that's going to be all for today. See you guys on tomorrow's spell wallets daily puzzle. Peace out.